everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a hidden staircase pop out of the wall. Let's get started. First, obviously, we need a wall. So, just chuck a wall in. Where you want your staircase to pop out. I'm just going to chuck a wall here. Like this. Now, next, build up. Next, go like this. You don't need any water, just like this. Place your lever here, or here, doesn't matter where, but I'm on it here. Now, here, actually place your lever here. And now, here, place the redstone torch, and then here, place your redstone dust. So when you flip the lever, the redstone dust turns on and the torch turns off. So, now, what you do is, go like this to extend the signal upwards. And then place sticky pistons. Oh, sorry, and I forgot to tell you, you need sticky pistons, a lever, smooth stone, block of quartz stairs, redstone repeater, redstone torch, and redstone dust. So now, place your press a temporary block there, and then get rid of that temporary block, and place your sticky pistons all along here. Now, next, what you want to do is actually get rid of these. So now, keep this. So now, what you want to do is you connect all this up to here. So now, hook it up with a redstone circuit, like this, like this. So these should be on. And when you flip the lever, it should open like that. Now, and maybe just to make it look nice, just quickly go like this. Now, come around to here and lead it up here around the torch. Make sure it doesn't go here. That's supposed to be on. Don't let it go here. Just go around the torch. Now, place your sticky pistons. You place it on here. You place one here, then temporary block and place on there. Another temporary block and place on there. Another temporary block and place on there. And of course, another temporary block and place on there. Now, break all the temporary blocks. And, whoops. Okay, so now, break all the temporary blocks, like this, and place stairs here. And at the moment, it's pretty obvious, but this is how you hide it. Come around here, and you go like this. Make sure they are facing this way. And now, it should look something like this. It should look exactly like that, but anyway, now, hook up all this with a redstone circuit and go like this. If you want it to be really cool, do what I would do. So, wait, just a second. So, you should have the first one 0. I mean 1. First one 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Now connect it all up with redstone dust. And it's done. Oh wait, sorry. Wait, let me. Oh wait, and it should. Oh wait, actually, just quickly place a repeater here, and now it should work. Yeah, just chuck a repeater in here. Doesn't matter what ticks it is. Just chuck one in there. Now it should work. Thanks for watching. Bye.